Did you know that Bangladesh is home to one of the most breathtaking natural beauty in the world? From its lush green forests to its stunning rivers and waterfalls, this country has it all. Let's start our journey by exploring the Sundarbans, the largest mangrove forest on the planet. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to the Royal Bengal tiger, a majestic and endangered species. Next, we'll take you to the Cox's Bazar, the longest unbroken sandy beach in the world. With its golden sands and crystal clear waters, it's the perfect place to relax and unwind. As we venture further, we'll discover the magnificent tea gardens in Sylhet. The rolling green hills and the aroma of fresh tea leaves will transport you to a world of serenity and beauty. And let's not forget about the stunning waterfalls in Bangladesh. The breathtaking beauty of the Nafakam Falls and the sweet sound of water crashing against rocks will leave you speechless. From the captivating beauty of the hill tracts to the mesmerizing rivers and lakes, Bangladesh is a paradise for nature enthusiasts. So come and explore this hidden gem, immerse yourself in the beauty of Bangladesh and create memories that will last a lifetime. From serene rivers to lush green forests, this video will showcase the mesmerizing sights that make Bangladesh truly unique. Prepare to be captivated by the country's majestic waterfalls, picturesque rolling hills, and sprawling tea gardens. Experience the tranquility of its serene beaches and immerse yourself in the vibrant culture that fills the colorful markets and bustling cities.